Hello, welcome. Today we're gonna talk about the basics of algebra. So first, you may want to learn some terms that are gonna be very important. So pronumeral. Pronumerals is the stuff like X or Y that means the unknown. For example, let's say you have something like 2x plus 3 equals 1. This will be the pronumeral. Then we have the coefficient. Coefficient. I really hope I spelled that right. So that's basically the number before pronumeral. As you can see, so coefficient is the one before the pronumeral. So this is the coefficient. Oh wait, I can't spell. Coefficient of x, right? So then we have constant terms. Constant. So these are the numbers without a pronumeral. Numbers without pronumeral. So like in here, this is a constant because it doesn't change, like no matter what the x is, right? So now let's look at, say, something like 3x plus 5 equals 2 or something like that, right? So how would you solve that? So basically you would want to make x the subject, so you want to isolate x to one side and blah blah blah. That would make your life easier. So say, how do we do that? Well, first you probably want to move the 5 to the other side, so you only have 3x on this side. But of course you can't just make the 5 spontaneously disappear, so you need to do the opposite operation and remove the 5 on both sides. And both sides because you don't want to change the equation or make it not equal to what it was before. So 3x equals minus 3 in this case. Then you would again want to cancel out the 3, so you divide it by 3 by both sides. So you would get x equals minus 1. Simple enough. Alright, now another thing is that, and another thing I didn't say is like terms. I'm not the best at explaining like this, so I'll just show you how like terms work. So usually when solving something, you would want to find the like terms. Like, for example, 3 plus 5x minus 3x plus 2y minus y minus 3. As like terms are the ones that has the same, and I mean the exact same pronumeral. As you can see, 3 and 3 does not have a pronumeral, so they go together. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we cancel that out. So 5 and minus 3x is a like term, so it becomes 2x, and then positive 2y minus y, again a like term, would make it simply 2x plus y. Now that's simplified from whatever that was. And also it's important that you know that the coefficient has to be exactly the same. So like if one is x and one is x squared, you cannot just simply add them together. Right? So now let's say you have something like 2 brackets x plus 3 equals 5. Now how would you do that? Well, you need to expand the bracket first. I mean, to be fair, you can also just divide by 2 both sides. So one method is that you cancel out the 2 from both sides. Remember, there's an expression here and you can't randomly like take away an x from inside the bracket. So then it would become x plus 3 equals 5 over 2. And then again you move the 3 to the other side, minus 3, minus 3. It would be the same as 5 over 2 minus 6 over 2. So essentially it becomes x equals minus 1 over 2. But you might want to get into the habit of expanding things because that's gonna make your life easy later on. So to do that, you first go 2 times x, so you get 2x, and then you times by 2 and 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. So expanded, it would be that. And then you can also just solve it like this. Wait, no. What am I doing? Oh, equals 5. And then you can just cancel off. So 2x equals minus 1. X equals minus a half. And that's basically the introduction to algebra. Have a nice day.